Hey everybody, this is Okie Twister 66. Today we're at Fort Thunder Harley Davidson in Moore, Oklahoma. We're going to do my first demo day. Stick around. So I'm here at Fort Thunder for the demo day. They got a good selection of bikes. Here's the new Heritage. And I'm on the list for this Lowrider S. So I'm looking forward to that. If I can, I may try to hop on this one. This was my first demo day with any dealership. Needless to say, I had no idea of what to expect, but I got to tell you, the Harley Davidson demo team really did a great job. Very professional, well organized, and lots of fun. Before I went, I couldn't help but wonder if it was going to be one of those high pressure sales pitch kind of things, but man, there was none of that. The dealership people pretty much just stayed inside all day, and the event was really run by a dedicated team of people from Harley Davidson. I arrived around noon, checked in with the registration. They took some info off my driver's license, had me sign the waiver, and I was off. Time to ride. I was a little nervous at first, but I quickly got into the swing of things. And I want to give a shout out to my wife, Mrs. T66, for tagging along and catching some video while I was riding. The weather wasn't the best that day. We actually had high wind warnings, and at times it was blowing well over 50. I mean, it was a solid 40, 45 all day long. For that reason, some heavy traffic on I-35. We didn't get to take the bikes on the interstate, but that's okay. I had a blast and was just grateful for the opportunity to ride some new and different bikes. Until that day, I'd only ridden the Harley 500 in the MSF class, my Scout Bobber, and my Heritage Softail. So it was really cool getting to experience some other bikes. Again, this was a very organized event. They had it running really, really smoothly. There was no intimidation, and you could tell they genuinely wanted everyone to have a good experience. I know I sure did. The rides lasted about 20 minutes each, and there weren't really any amazing roads, but it was just a good opportunity to take a quick ride on something new and unique. I didn't have much notice when I first heard about this demo day, and they don't come to my area very often. So if you ever hear about one in your area, and if you can swing a day off, man, I highly recommend you snag the opportunity. It costs you nothing but some time and gas, to get yourself there. Be sure and bring your helmet and gloves and your license, and you should be good to go. But be sure and check with the organizers before you head out, just to make sure you've got everything you need to ride.
listen up. Safety is first and number one priority. There is zero tolerance for any unsafe behavior. Use the clutch when starting the motorcycle, single file in and out of the parking lot, no passing, or your rides for today are over. Lead rider will use hand signals. You are to keep your hands on the handlebars. If a car enters our ride, let it happen. It will not follow our entire route, most likely. Everyone has different riding skills, so be patient. A safe ride is the most important. We do not make right turns on red lights. If your bike has a problem, pull safely to the side of the road, and the trail rider will assist you. If the pack is split up, the trail rider will come to the front and lead you. If your bike falls over, do not pick it up. We will do that for you. We ride in a staggered formation, not too wide in a lane. Again, there's no passing. We will end the ride immediately for unsafe behavior. Okay? No slingshotting or your rides are for the day are over. Wait to be released from the parking lot. Do not ride outside your comfort zone. You may pull over if you're not comfortable, and we will assist you back to the dealership. The trail rider will always assist those that are separated. Okay? When you get on it, adjust your mirrors. Make sure the kickstand is up. Make sure the bike is in neutral. Squeeze the clutch in before starting it. Any questions? All right, let's go.
Before I left, I mounted up my helmet cams, and I have some video of each of the 3 bikes I got to ride. The Lowrider S, the Fat Bob, and the Lowrider ST. I plan to edit and upload a video for each one of those, so if you want to see what I thought about each one of those, hit the subscribe button and the notification thing, and you'll get a notification as soon as those drop. Thanks for sticking around and watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and as always, feel free to hit me up in the comments. This is Okie Twister 66 signing off. Ride safe, have fun, 2 wheels down.